When it comes to competitor keyword analysis, SEMrush and SpyFu are two tools that marketers often debate about. Both are designed to help you see what your competitors are doing and find opportunities for your own website, but they have different strengths. Let's break it down. Starting with SEMrush, it is a full-featured digital marketing platform. It does a lot more than just keyword research. You can track your own website, analyze backlinks, run site audits, and of course, check competitor keywords. The competitor analysis tools are very detailed. You can see which keywords your competitors are ranking for, how much traffic those keywords bring in, and even the ads they are running. One of the biggest strengths of SEMrush is the data depth. You get search volume trends, keyword difficulty scores, and CPC information, which is really helpful if you are planning a paid campaign. The interface is well designed, and you can create custom reports that make it easy to digest the data. SEMrush also offers features like content gap analysis, so you can quickly identify keywords your competitors are ranking for that you are not. On the other hand, SpyFu is more focused specifically on competitor research and keyword analysis. Its strength lies in simplicity and accessibility. You type in a competitor's domain, and you get a clear breakdown of their top organic keywords, paid keywords, and even the ads they are running. It's very straightforward and easy to understand, even if you're not an SEO expert. SpyFu shines when it comes to seeing historical trends. You can view how competitors' keywords have changed over time, which can be valuable for planning your own campaigns. It also provides insight into the keywords competitors are buying in Google Ads, including estimated budgets, which is useful if you want to compete in paid search. The main limitation of SpyFu is that it doesn't have the same depth of features as SEMrush. It's focused on keywords and competitors, so it doesn't include things like site audits, backlink analysis, or broader SEO tools. So, which one should you choose? If you want a comprehensive marketing platform with powerful data, SEMrush is the better option. It's perfect for businesses that want to do more than just competitor keyword research and are ready to invest time in learning a robust tool. In the end, both tools can help you uncover valuable keyword opportunities. SEMrush is like a Swiss Army knife for marketers, while SpyFu is a sharp, focused tool that gets the job done efficiently. The choice really comes down to whether you need all-in-one functionality or a streamlined, competitor-focused approach.